Tired of manually juggling Facebook tasks and feeling like your marketing efforts are drowning in endless to-dos? Well, get ready to transform your workflow because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zapier with Facebook to automate tasks, track engagement, and manage leads like a pro. First, head over to Zapier.com and sign up for a free account. If you don't already have one, click that sign up button and follow the prompts. It's super quick and easy. Once you're logged in, click the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. A new window will pop up where you can start to create your workflow automation. Now, in the trigger section, search for Facebook. You'll see different Facebook apps listed. Select the one that matches the task you want to automate, such as Facebook pages, Facebook lead ads, or Facebook groups. Next, choose the trigger event. This is what kicks off your automation. For example, if you selected Facebook lead ads, you might choose new lead. This means that every time someone submits a lead form on Facebook, Zapier will spring into action. Zapier will now ask you to connect your Facebook account. Click connect and follow the prompts to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Make sure you select the correct Facebook page or group you want to work with. It is extremely important you grant Zapier the requested permissions for the automation to function. Now it's time for the action step. This is what you want Zapier to do. When the trigger occurs, for example, if you got a new lead on Facebook, you might want Zapier to add that lead's information to a Google Sheet or add them to your MailChimp email list. Search for the app you want to use and select it. Configure the action step by mapping the data from Facebook to the corresponding fields in your chosen app. This tells Zapier exactly where to put the information. It's as simple as clicking into each field and selecting what data you want pulled from your Facebook ad. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If all goes well, give your Zap a catchy name and turn it on. Congratulations, you've just automated a Facebook task with Zapier. Now go forth and conquer your marketing goals.